In this video, we're going to simplify the fraction 12 over 360 and then convert it into a decimal. Let's start with our initial fraction, 12 over 360. To simplify this fraction, the first step is to find the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of the numerator and the denominator. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 360 are significantly larger in number. The greatest common divisor of 12 and 360 is 12. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by this greatest common divisor to simplify the fraction to 1 over 30. Now, let's convert the simplified fraction into a decimal. By performing the division of 1 by 30, we calculate that the decimal representation is 0.033 recurring. Therefore, the simplified form of the fraction 12 over 360 is 1 over 30, and its decimal representation is approximately 0.033.